Hi there, I'm Ellie, one of the Payday Angels team. Before you start comparing loans, we thought that it would be a good idea to explain them to you in a bit more detail. Hopefully after watching this video, you'll be able to make a more informed decision on a short-term loan. So, how do payday or short-term loans actually work? Well, typically, you'll start off by borrowing a small amount of money, which will vary depending on which lender you choose to go with. Then, you'll select a date to pay the loan back. Many people choose to pay theirs back when they get paid, hence the term payday loans. Sounds simple enough so far, right? Wrong. There's a bit more to it than just paying the loan back on time. When it comes to loans, we think that you should be shown the full picture. Sure, on an initial glance, a payday loan does seem like a really appealing product. However, there are several aspects that are missed out or intentionally overlooked. So for example, if you fail to make your repayment on time, you'll build up an additional interest on top of the initial loan, which means paying back more than the original amount that you agreed. Additionally, if you do fail to make the full repayment on the set date, your lender will try to make multiple withdrawals from your bank account in an attempt to collect the money that you owe them. The added cost of the built-up interest payments plus the charges that you will incur due to repeated withdrawal attempts from your bank account are what leave most people short on money. So, what's the best way to prevent these things from happening? Well, firstly, be financially prepared. Put away some extra money when you take out the loan. This will serve as a safety net should you have extra outgoings that coming month. Having a small reserve in place really can save you from those unexpected expenditures, and believe us, they definitely happen. Secondly, get informed. If you're taking out a loan and are uncertain of the terms, conditions, charges, fees, or payments associated with it, sit down and reconsider things. If you're not reading the terms of your loan, then why not? By reading the terms and conditions of a payday loan, you'll come away with much more information and be able to make a better decision on a short-term financial solution for yourself. So to sum up, make sure that you understand any and all fees associated with your loan. So that's any transmission, administration, or related fees that process the loan from the lender to your account. Sometimes they might not be as visible as you think, so do make sure you double check this. Understand that you're paying back the loan and the interest. If you can only afford the loan and not the interest, then do reconsider. Try comparing different lenders or even try an alternative that we've listed on this page. It's also vital that you understand a need for financial safety nets. Put some money aside when you take out a loan to help cover the repayment. If you are worried that you won't be able to make the repayment on time, then do contact your lender directly and ahead of time to let them know. Most lenders are happy to work with consumers to figure out payment strategies for all manners of circumstances. And finally, we thought that it would be worthwhile to discuss your reasons for taking out a loan. So in simple terms, there are right reasons and wrong reasons for taking out a payday loan. And for example, using a payday loan for a legitimate or one-off expense can be considered as a responsible or proper use of a loan. However, using a payday loan for a holiday, a night on the town, or general expenses such as food can be considered as a bad use of a loan. So if you feel that you're fully informed about the terms and conditions, you can pay it back on time, and you're only going to use it for a responsible reason, then by all means go ahead. However, if you're aware that you cannot afford to take the loan in the first place, or you want to use it for drinks with your friends, we would certainly advise you to think twice about your intended actions. The consequences of not paying the loan back will result in further charges that you may not be able to afford. Please check out our alternatives to borrowing money. It may give you a better option. Thanks for listening, and I really hope you make the right choice for your circumstances. Have a lovely day now. Bye-bye.